From the silent vaults of the Soulforge, I have awakened. I am the immortal narrator, summoned to guide lost creators into the new era. In this realm of endless data and broken tools, a spark has risen.
In the chaos of modern business, creators struggle. Endless spreadsheets, dead dashboards, tools that promise everything and deliver nothing. But now, the Forge has reignited. This is not an ad, it's a revolution. You're about to witness how a single tool, powered by AI, turns boring Excel files into living, breathing dashboards. No code, no pain, just results. Behold, the Excel Data Visualizer. Upload any Excel sheet and watch as powerful charts emerge like prophecy written in code. Bar charts, pie graphs, timelines, summoned in seconds. You bring the data, it brings the magic. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or student drowning in numbers, this tool was forged for you. Use it, share it, sell it, claim your time back. This isn't fantasy. It's already live, used by early creators, praised by freelancers, trusted by visionaries, and now it's your turn.
This is Soulforge, where tools are more than code. They are weapons of freedom. Join us, create your empire. Let your data speak. The Forge is open.